Working from home is, the flexibility is great, but man, I miss the office so much.
I got there and the first thing it told me is I had to take my shoes off. And as somebody who collects sneakers, that was already slightly off-putting.
Once I got past the taking off your shoe thing, I learned that there was something really special here. There's a cozy vibe about this place. It even carries through when you're using the product.
Notion is kind of like the Swiss Army knife of software. You can use it to take notes, build a knowledge base for your startup, all in one tool.
Notion has a very distinct artistic style. I like to call it like an artist's soul.
It's not meant to make a huge impression. It's meant to kind of fade into the background. Your notes and your thoughts, like that should be the center.
When people use Notion to handle COVID responses or to respond to Black Lives Matter, people are able to better do what they want to do with better tools.
For a lot of tools that are more narrow in scope, you have a better understanding of exactly who your audience is. But with Notion, it's anyone and everyone, it's everything all the time. I'm pretty sure that the headcount of Notion as a team has more than doubled since we stopped working from the office.
Notioneer sounds weird. Notioner sounds strange. You flip the O and Notion at the end, it becomes Notino. I think it just stuck. It's a little fun despite being kind of strange, and I think that encompasses the team more than they might admit, self-included.
We have this tradition where when a new Notino joins, they have to present their life story to the company.
Oh, hi, Kyra.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm glad that we're still keeping that tradition alive.
We've, done our best to connect even in a virtual world.
What should we say in French?
Bon appetit.
Yeah, exactly.
Which plague happened in India?
Yes, now I definitely have it.
Okay.
You do play a part each and every day in building the culture.
In thinking about moving to Notion, I had just recently become a new mom. Henry. I had a very open conversation with Akshay, our COO, and he was so amazing. He connected me with different professional women in the industry. That really helped me. Let's go!
I have never been more supported in career development than I have been at Notion. Always going back to that value of feedback is a gift.
A lot of those things are decided on not because a group of people in a boardroom decide it, but because our users ask for it.
When I can show up to work and explain to our users that we finally polished that rough edge, that's what gets me really excited.
There's a huge amount of things to work on. The opportunities to really take like large, meaty features or projects and run with it is pretty great.
For me, this is just a prologue. There's a lot more to do. There are a lot more languages to expand to. There are a lot more countries to expand to. There are a lot more customers to help. There are a lot more potential Notinos out there in the world.